Hello, 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 hello. Okay, the mic is working. Okay now. I guess the voice was a little bit of Just a moment. Check few things. Suppression. Awesome. Okay, everything is working fine right now. Okay, I hope you guys are able to see me also. Just give me a moment. I have to see some things and setting up some things. Hello. Okay, awesome. Just hello. Hello, 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 hello. Okay, the mic is working properly. Uh, okay, guys. So we will be analyzing a project today. The project name is basically DappRadar, which you have already seen in gate.io, basically. And we will continue the stream today. So let's see. We'll open the coin market cap website for that, and we will analyze the project itself in today's stream, right? So let's quickly search with the project. This is the project. You can see the current price of the project is 0.00898693, which is too low because I think the total supply of the coin is on a higher side. That's why the current supply is very low, right? If we compare this and check the rank, it's 3010th rank in the market. The current market cap is almost around $5 million. Fully diluted it is 86, and volume is on a good scale of 418,000 approximately, right? So it has good volume overall in the 24 hours trading session, and you can see a 114% jump in the single day, right? Which is very, very amazing, or you can say which is very interesting for us to see, because we don't see these kinds of volume very often, and these kinds of volume are very, in good exchanges only we see these kinds of volume. So this is definitely very, very interesting to watch for us, and we can have a good volume and density also. So let me just quickly set up my camera a little bit. Okay, awesome. So I just cutted my hair, so that's why I am right now I'm just wearing a cap. So I hope you guys can able to hear me clearly, and yeah, that's the thing. And DappRadar is the project which we will be analyzing today. The volume is fluctuating a lot. If you check the market cap here, it's not getting the perfect market cap in the CoinMarketCap website. But yeah, volume is 1.3 million. DappRadar have 1.5 million followers on CoinMarketCap. Radar, let's okay. So we have gate.io here. Exchanges, every exchange is also there. Other exchanges, 2% depth, volume is $47,000 in gate itself, and liquidity score is 20260, which is very very good. If you check the liquidity score is high, it means the exchange has a good amount of value, volume of that particular project itself, and it is not kind of any kind of manipulation, because if you see the liquidity is good, then there is no manipulation in the project itself. So this is how we can have a look and comparison to the projects and the things which we occur, right? And now we opened the website itself, and to get more deeper knowledge about this, you can see it's already been in the Play Store itself. Show me more about Radar. World's Dap. No thanks, I'll look around first. Okay, I'll look around first. White paper 2.0. You can see how many projects are in it. Check portfolio. I guess these are the portfolios. Okay, let me see. 2.2. White paper 2.0. This is the white paper for Radar, and we will look at it, right? So this is the introduction, basically what is Radar and what it's all about. So we can have a quick look. And the first, the world's D app store. Discover, track, and trade everything DeFi, NFT, and gaming, right? You can see a swap, treasury, bill, rewards, games, NFTs, all you need all in one place. Basically, I think they provide all the services in one place. You can track your every investment in single place, so you don't have to go anywhere else. You can have all the things in a single place, right? This looks good. Code, pancake, stage, finance, everything you are in control. DeFi tokens, shape a decentralized future, Radar, everything is present here. What we will be looking is the white paper. As blockchain technology and Web3 gain wider adoption beyond crypto and tech savvy audiences, uh, discovering decentralized application based on performance driven metrics becomes increasingly difficult. That's where a DappRadar comes in, helping users make informed decision about blockchain based gaming, NFTs, DeFi services, and metaverse collectibles. Our data-driven approach empowers users to find the blockchain application they want while enabling the app developers to attract the users they need to grow their business. So basically, they are a place where you can track all the applications in a single place, where you can have the full access in a single place. For example, you are using the for example you're using the Google Chrome, so you can search anything on the web and you can get any information on that. So this Radar app, DappRadar app, basically provides you all the applications in a single place, where you can just click on it and explore that option. And then you don't have to download multiple applications or multiple use things for the purpose of your thing which you want to use. For example, you have to use or you're gonna have to play a game. This game, what was the game name again? This game, this is the game Upland. You don't have to download additionally. You can only download the D app, and you can play the Upland game from there. So this is how it works, and it is just a collection of all the blockchain technologies which are made till now, and in a single place it will be provided. So the data is very very confined and provided you in a single place. So you can only download the D app, D app Radar app in the Play Store, and you can have the exploration biosync. Established in 2018, DappRadar is the world's leading decentralized application, Dapp Store, serving everyone worldwide and powered by the Radar token. Our platforms track 14,000 D apps across 50 blockchains, including Ethereum, BNB Chain, Polygon, Avalanche, Phantom, and many more. As I've already told you in the previous previously that this is a collection of all the applications which you wanted to use, and you have to download that additionally for your use case purpose. But by downloading this single app only, you can have the whole package of applications, as I was already giving you the example of Google itself. So this is the same thing which is happening here. You can easily download the D app or DappRadar app, and then you will be having an access of 14,000 D apps across 50 blockchains, including Ethereum, BNB chain. This is just a few famous blockchains which are used in the system, right? So this is very, very interesting because you don't have to go any other places. You just have to download a single app and you are good to go, and you can use everything on your fingertips in a single application. At DappRadar, we are pioneers in tracking unique active wallets, UAW, which refers to the number of wallets interacting with smart contracts. Our platform also utilizes machine learning to provide clean data and accurate price estimations. So they also use machine learning, which is AI, definitely, and they also track unique active wallets, which are giving transactions and interacting with smart contracts. So all the data is being provided and being recorded by the artificial intelligence itself to give you the best prices and to perform your activities in a very, very efficient manner, right? At DappRadar, we owe our platform's growth to our community of developers, ecosystem partners, and visitors who value our data. In December 21, we launched the Radar token and embarked on a mission to become the world's leading DApp store. Our vision at DappRadar is to create a community-owned DApp store built by millions and used by billions. That is a great line. With the support of our users, enthusiasts, developers, and investors, we will continue to grow our platform centered around the. We will continue to grow our platform centered around the Radar token. Radar serves as a reward for contribution, grants, pro membership access, provides various user acquisition tools for developers, and much more. Additionally, Radar gives token holders a vote in the DappRadar DAO, enabling them to shape the future of the world's leading app store. So basically, the developers and the community of investors, enthusiasts, they all can participate, built by millions and used by billions, right? So everyone can contribute in the system ecosystem and participate, and how we can participate, how we can contribute. These things we will be discussing in the upcoming minutes, right? DappRadar is at the heart of a long-term vision. Basically, definitely everyone wants to be a long-term player in the market, because if you survive the market in the bear phase, definitely, then you will be a profitable and long-term project in the market itself, right? So this is the vision, and where people curate, contribute, vote, discuss, and propose ideas. As we move towards progressive decentralization, the future of DappRadar lies with the DAO, driven by the needs of its members, from partners and developers to experienced users and newcomers to the world of dApps. Right? A visionary note from the CEO, DappRadar stats. What we will be looking here is the need for more data and curation, the DappRadar flywheel. Where was it? The need for more data, contribution to earn. Okay. DappRadar believes that its contribution to earn model is a crucial step towards building a stronger Web3 ecosystem. So here we have contribution to earn model, which is very unique. I have heard this, you can say, first time in my life. So let's see what is this. And towards a stronger Web3 ecosystem, by allowing anyone to contribute to the platform, DappRadar is harnessing the power of community collaborations to create a comprehensive and accurate resource for users. Code contributions, content creation, and curation are all important aspects of this model. And DappRadar plans to expand the contribution to earn model to include more layers of the platform in the future. So basically, they will be providing a platform where anyone can contribute. And how we can contribute, we can also go through this by reading this white paper. In addition to incentivizing contributions, DappRadar is also investing in better developer tools and services to encourage developers to update their Dapp pages. with accurate smart contract information. The company the company is also applying automation, machine learning, and AI to improve its tool for data collection, with the goal of offering a complete and holistic overview of all data that is useful for end users. DappRadar sees its role as not just a data aggregator, but as an active participant in growth and development of the Web3 ecosystem. By building strong partnerships and embracing community contributions, DappRadar hopes to be a driving force in the continued evolution of decentralized internet. So as I was saying you guys earlier that it is just like Google, for example. So you will be getting all the informations in a single platform where you can have the access to billions of data, but it will not just act as a data provider or data aggregator. It will it will also provide in multiple manners where AI will also be very useful for data aggregation, and it will be modifying the data according to the person and giving the best result to the person itself. So this is something like when you get a suggestion from the Google, so you scroll down and you see the data which are useful to you. So this DappRadar will also show you the data which are useful to you only. So this is something which is very interesting, and they are also saying that it will work same like on the, what do you say, the model of AI, and produce and give you the data which is required by you only, and give you the smart investing options. For example, I have this amount of money in my wallet, and the app suggests me to invest my money onto this particular investment, for example this application, and we are getting around 20% of return on investment over a period of 6 months or 3 months or 1 month. So I can just invest in that and get the returns out of that. So this is something how I'm trying to figure out. This is something the application is providing to the users, which is very interesting to see, and which is very beneficial for the end user to get engaged into the application and then use it for a longer period of time, which will eventually create profits for the users, end users, and the profit for the developers and community of the DappRadar itself. So moving to DappRadar 2.0, introducing radar. So we have tokenomics here. Tokenomics we want to see. Tokenomics is a term used to describe the economic model for a tokenized economy. In the case of DappRadar, it's the radar token that forms the foundation of DappRadar DAO, and services offered through DappRadar for developers, users, and other parties. The radar token serves as the foundation for DappRadar ecosystem, utility governance. Okay, radar is the utility and governance token for the DappRadar ecosystem, empowers developers, partners, publishers, and users alike. The token launched on Ethereum blockchain and later arrived on BNB chain also, thanks to a groundbreaking cross-chain staking initiative with a plan to expand to other chains. Total supply is all, I guess, $100 billion. No option to mint more tokens. It's fixed in value, audited by Omnisca. Radar distribution, 10% allocated for the initial airdrop, which is will be given to the community itself. 25% team and shareholders, 25% our treasury, 40% to the community. So they have a proper set of things which are already been separated and given to the people and community. Everything you can see. DappRadar, our treasury, platforms, operational cost, marketing and partnership, investment, fundraising, and liquidity provision. Everything is in a very set up and formatted manner, which is not to be which is very perfect for us, right? So this is something very interesting if you ask me, and which is very amazing to see in the future, right? So let's see one more thing, which is radar utilities. Uh, okay, this is what we wanted. Treasury and community pools, radar providing transferring flat flow, radar trading buy and sell, team buybacks, DAO operations, governance, buyback, market exchange, liquidity, market holders, premium services, DApp developers, contributors, contribution incentives, users, gamification rewards, boosting, staking, governance, pro membership, governance, buyback. Everything is in this photo. If you see this photo like 2 minutes, you will understand how they are working and how will be the utilities of the radar token will eventually be working, so to provide proper liquidity to the system and then to provide proper contribution to the radar ecosystem, right? We have staking options also for the radar token. Pro membership is also there. I guess this is for Web3 people and gamers basically. DappRadar provides extensive advanced feature and benefit for those who seek a deeper. Mentions taking features. DappRadar provides a certain amount to gain access to spin off. Okay, so if you stake a certain amount of token in the pro membership, you will be getting premium offerings and premium offers for only people who subscribe to those things, right? As you continue to enhance the platform, that will become increasingly valuable, resulting in stronger incentives for users to stake their radar tokens. Definitely, as they are continually growing, they will be increasing the valuable result and stronger incentive for the people who store radar tokens in their platform. An increased staking activity is positively to the circulating supply, further strengthening the token economy and overall importance of the radar token within the DappRadar ecosystem. Read more about Pro section about Pro 2.0. So this is something very very interesting and have a look into, right? Boosting pro power, buyback program, everything is very very good in mentioned, and that's what we wanted, right? Premium for Dapp developers. This is Dapp profile free. This is Dapp profile boosted. You get benefits. These are the benefits for profile boosted and profile free. We have gamification segment also excluded and given in a proper manner so that you can have a look into it. Quest, contribution and curation, API, white label. So this is very, very interesting if you see that everything is present in a single page and you can access it and read it and get more information about the project itself. So currently, if I say that this is something like building like Google itself, but it is for the decentralized, but this is for the decentralized ecosystem. This is not for the centralized part, because everything which will be present in this application will be of the decentralized economy and token technology. So everything which is present will be eventually acting as a decentralized power, and you can have the access for all of that in a single application, which will help you eventually to build, which will eventually help you to build more and more utility and what you can say helpful in the daily day-to-day decentralized and proper financing for your web3 ecosystem, right? If you want to play some play to earn games, just open the radar app, open it, click on the game, play it, and then you can also have the staking features. If you have a radar, you can stake it on the platform and you can get reward, and these things are all the part of the ecosystem which I'm saying. So this is something where it's like a shop or stop, one stop for everything. So let's click on, we can check the website also as of now, and let's see what the website has for us. So games, we have the games here, unlock pro benefits. You can unlock that and check your best play to earn games for web 2023. It's same like it's like a giant of web3 in the form of, you know what you say, Google, right? So I'm not comparing this to Google, but yeah, it is something very very interesting, and it can be as much big as, what do you say, right, Google, right? Maybe, right? I'm not 100%, but yeah, maybe. So this is something where everything is at a single stop, and you can use that for your personal enjoyment, right, on a daily day-to-day basis. This is the game, tokens, NFTs. If you check the NFT section, Mutant Ape Yacht Club, open it. Let's say when I buy this. So yeah, the portfolio airdrops NFT value estimator, connect wallet, and then you can buy this NFT, right? So this is a one-stop solution and one-stop shopper stop, you can say, for every individual, and you can have it and enjoy it because this is something very, very disruptive for the market, and you can also have a overlook of it. So you can have your ways and you can find productive uh, utility from the application itself, and you can make some profits for yourself in the terms of knowledge and in the terms of assets and money. Both the things, the application is very, very interesting and good. And now what we can do is we can just quickly have a look at how we can be a contributor or how we can participate, how we can ride this train. We don't have to do anything. We just have to open the gate.io platform basically first, and then we have to log into our ID because that's the first thing which we're gonna do. Okay, what you'll do is just we have to log into our ID, and then I'll show you what to do. So we have opened the ID and we are in the gate.io platform. You don't have to do anything. You just have to come into the trading section, just click on the spot section. We know that what I have to do, and then to click on here, and we have to search for the tap radar. You see the radar, click on it, and then what you have to do is you have to just select the amount which you want to buy. For example, 100, and I'm getting 11,000, almost around 11k of radar in my account, and you just have to click on the buy and then confirm order. You will be getting the radars in your spot wallet itself. So this application basically, if you ask me, has a lot of potential and has a lot of future because it is a one-stop solution for everyone, and you don't have to roam around, right? You don't have to download a single application for every use. You don't have to fill up your memory for these uses. You can just have one single application or one stop. You can open that and do multiple tasks in a single go. You don't have to uh, it does not takes a lot of space in your phone or your devices. It will take only whatever the application size is, and then you can use multiple things into a single stop, and many things are coming with that. Staking, rewards, pro membership, everything will be included in that particular thing. So why do you need something which is, why do you don't want the things which are very, very interesting and these kinds of things, so you can easily start the things and make money out of it, right? Basically we all are here to make money out of it. So this is something very, very interesting. You should all should have a look and check out that. If you see, for example, 1 day chart here, do you see a proper rejection, or you can say a proper down coming of the market? But if the market is going down, we have a potential to grow itself. If you check that the market has been coming from 0.03, so what we can do is, where is scale? Let me just open the trading view if I'm not wrong. Here we have the data, we can see the radar token. Radar USDT, okay, here it is, DappRadar. So you can see this is the chart for DappRadar, and if you see the 4 hour chart, you will see a rejection coming up for that. But for this time being, because the market is currently down, and maybe this is the best time to enter the market. I'm not saying, as we already know, these kinds of stream are not any kind of financial or investment advice. But yeah, if this is the point where you're getting something very, very cheap, and for example, let's say this in the future becomes or goes to the same price again where it was earlier, Then what can be the returns which you can expect? Let's check. So the returns which you can expect if the price goes again at the same price, it's 1.6 per 1.6x from your current investment, and which is very very decent if you say, because 150% or 160% is very considered as very normal in the market and very good in the market, because not many people make these kinds of return, right? So which is why I am suggesting you to have a look into this project and give it a good, you can say, reviews. If you like it, you can also post about it, and if you find anything positive or interesting about that, if you see future, then I should basically recommend you to just invest on it and leave it for the rest of, I guess, 1 year. Maybe you can see the token price going up to 1 cent, oh sorry, 10 cent. Maybe anything can happen in the market, so that's the thing, because market can eventually go up from 10 cents to $10 or $20. So that is not something we cannot expect from radar itself. So yeah, this was all about DappRadar token, guys, for today. I hope you guys have enjoyed the session, and you guys have known something new about the token, something new today. And it's very very interesting token. You should also open the coin market cap and go on to the website itself and check out the feature. You can also download this project, the application, in iOS devices and also in Play Store itself. And then if you want to invest, you can open gate.io immediately and invest in the project itself, because maybe you never know, it will be, or it was right time, you should have invested and you can make money. I'm not creating any FOMO, but yeah, you should have a checkout for this application and the project itself, right? So with this being said, guys, I am taking a bye bye. We will see you in the next session, hopefully with some more interesting topic and with some more knowledgeable session. So I'll see you guys in the next session, and as I always say, stay safe, trade safe, and we'll definitely go to the moon. Bye bye, guys. And don't forget to check out the DappRadar token so you can have a good idea. Okay.